Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage users on your Notion workspace. So once you're in a workspace, all you have to do is just simply click the workspace on the upper left hand side. As you can see, I have multiple workspace right here. So if I want to switch to, for example, ABC workspace, I can do that. And then I just need to click the workspace on the upper left hand side and go to the settings. Right now, let me just go back to one of those workspaces that has multiple people. No, so just go ahead and click there and go to the settings. And on the left hand side, you want to find people. Now, once you're there, you will see the options here where you can invite teammates. You can also go ahead and copy link and just invite someone by giving them the link, or you can click and add members as well and just enter their email address and choose the role that you want to give to them, and you will be able to even send them a message and send them the invite. And once they're added here, you will be able to see them here as well under the member section. From here you can manage them, you can choose which team space they will have access to. You can also choose if you want to change their role from workspace owner to member, or you can even remove them as well. But in order to add them as member, you need to have a plus, you need to upgrade it. So keep that in mind as well. And that's how you manage those members. You also have a section for group. You also have a section for contacts as well. And here you can go ahead and you can import contacts if you have contacts to import, so that you can add. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.